Hello everyone, so welcome back. So let's start our project. Okay, so in this video what we'll do is, so we'll set up Amazon Kinesis data Firehose. Okay, so we are setting up this to get the data. Okay, so the data is the server logs. Okay, so which will be getting this server logs once we set up the EC2 instances. Okay, and we'll generate the purchase logs, and those server logs will be sent to this stream, that is Kinesis data Firehouse. Okay, and that particular data will be stored under the AWS S3. Okay, so that data we can make use of for the different purpose, like for the machine learning, AWS Glue or Athena. Okay, or we can go for Amazon EMR clusters, okay, Redshift or Amazon QuickSight. Okay, so let's get started. So I have logged on to my AWS management console. Okay, so the first step will go is we'll set up this Amazon Kinesis data Firehouse stream. Okay, so I'll search for Kinesis, or else you can access from the dashboard, which I have just recently accessed. I'll click on Kinesis. So here we have three different processes. Okay, so for the different purpose. Okay, so first we'll be using data of arrows. This is the delivery stream, right? So let's click on to this create a delivery stream. Okay, so first we need to set up the source and destination. You can see, so first we choose the source and the destination. So basically we specify the source and the destination for the delivery stream. So you cannot change the source and the destination of your delivery stream once it's been created. So this is the main thing you need to remember, because in few of the services, once we have done the setup or configuration, we can later change it, right? But here, so once we are configuring the delivery stream, you should be very careful that what is the source and destination you're going to set up, because once it's set up, you have cannot change it later. Okay, so let's start with the source. Okay, so source, we have the Kinesis data stream and the direct put. So here I'll be using the direct put. Okay, basically this is the that produce where the application produces the write to directly option. Okay, so this is what the direct put. So in the destination, of course, it is Amazon S3, right? So in the diagram you can see. Okay. So in the architecture. Okay, so now let's give the delivery name. Okay, I'll just give order logs ds, order logs delivery stream, and here the transform and the convert records. Okay, right now I don't want to transform any of the records which is being delivered, and here I need to give the destination. Okay, right now I don't have a S3 bucket, so what I'll do, I'll just go to the you can remember it's Virginia, right? So I'll just go to the S3 and let's go and create a new bucket. So create a bucket. So I'll give the bucket name as order logs ineuron. So here region is Virginia, so I don't want to give any object or an ownership, or I don't want right now it's checked, that is blocking the public access setting for this bucket. I have not enabled the versioning. Okay, so let's keep the default encryption, and if I see the advanced settings, okay, so let's keep it everything default and click on create bucket. So I've so order logs iron has been created. Okay, so let's go to the Kinesis Firehose and let's click on browse. So this is our bucket, that is demo or glue. So I think we need to refresh. uh, yeah, so order logs iron, click on choose. So here we have same settings. Okay, so dynamic partitioning is disabled. If you want to give any bucket prefix, any bucket error output prefix. Okay, so let's keep it default. In the advanced settings, okay, so here the Amazon CloudWatch error is enabled, Permissions, okay, so this is the default permissions it has been given, that is I am role, okay. And let's check in this buffer hints and compression. So here the buffer size they have given the 5 MB, right? So in the buffer interval, let's change this to 60. Okay, so you can see, so the higher interval allows more time to collect data and size of the data may be triggered, right? And the lower interval sends the data more frequently and may be more advantageous when looking at the shorter cycles of data and activity. So here we have already seen the minimum is 60 seconds and the maximum is 900 seconds, and the recommended is 300 seconds, but we'll go for the 60. Okay, and click on create delivery stream.